Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to speed up a Windows PC. Over time your computer may start to slow down and become sluggish, which can be frustrating. But don't worry, there are a few things you can do to speed up your Windows PC and make it run like new again. You can use these methods both in Windows 10 and 11. Right now I'm using Windows 10, but if you want a separate tutorial for Windows 11, let me know down in the comments below. For now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Windows 10 comes with a lot of animations and visual effects that can make your computer look cool, but at the same time, they also slow down your computer. So the first thing that you can do is to disable these animations and visual effects. To turn off visual effects, simply right-click in your Start and open System Settings. Now move ahead to Advanced System Settings, and under the Performance settings, adjust your Windows for best performance. The next effect that you can turn off is Transparency effect. So to turn it off, simply right-click on the empty area of your desktop and open Personalize. Now you can move under the Color section to turn it off. The next thing you should do to speed up your Windows 10 PC is to remove any unnecessary programs and files. So what you can do is simply open Control Panel and uninstall all the applications that you don't use. You can even go through your computer and delete any programs or files that you don't use or need anymore. This will free up space on your hard drive and help your computer run faster. Also, over time your hard drive can become cluttered with temporary files and other junk that can slow down your computer. You can either search for disk cleanup, or you can open Run and type clean mgr. Now simply select the drive that you want to clean and make sure to check every option here. And finally click on OK. In addition, you can go to the settings. Under the system menu, simply move to the storage section and turn on storage since. This will basically get rid of unwanted files in your computer automatically. Another way to speed up your Windows PC is to disable every startup programs. When you start your computer, there are usually a lot of programs that automatically start up which use your device resource even when they are not opened. So you can disable these applications for better resource utilization of your computer. To disable startup programs, simply right-click on Start and open Task Manager. Now move to the Startup tab and disable all the applications except Windows Security and System applications. Remember that this will not have any negative impact on the software. This will just avoid opening them when you load your computer. By default, your Windows is also kind of optimized for gaming. So there are some settings enabled to enhance your gaming experience, but at the same time it hampers your PC speed. So you can turn off these settings to make your performance smoother. First of all, open Settings and move to the Gaming menu. Now turn off Game Bar and move to the Game Mode section to turn off Game Mode. Now last but not the least, proper task management. The first thing is, make sure you only open the applications that you are currently using. For more advanced option, you can open Task Manager. Here you might get apps that are currently open that you are not using. So you can simply end those tasks for basically better memory and CPU usage. And that's it. By applying these methods, I assure you'll experience a very better performance in your device. If these methods don't work, the last option with you is to reset your system. I'll be uploading a video very soon about resetting Windows. If you have any queries, let me know in the comments below. With the guarantee of meeting in the upcoming videos, let's end up this video here. Until then, keep learning something techie. Thanks for watching.